Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon to get notified about all my latest video updates. In today's video, I'm going to show how to get baby soft pink lips naturally with ingredients which are easily available at our home. That is with coconut oil, and next ingredient is Vaseline petroleum jelly. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's check out the video. Coming to the process, take a clean bowl and spoon, and to this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, next ingredient is Vaseline petroleum jelly. So I'm going to add this much of Vaseline petroleum jelly. Half tablespoon of crushed sugar powder. And the final ingredient is lemon. Just add few drops of lemon. So that's it, it's enough. And after adding all the ingredients, now mix it very well. You can see the consistency of the scrub looks like this. Now our lip scrub is ready. Apply this scrub on your lips. With the help of toothbrush, scrub it in circular motion for about a good 1 minute. So once you're done scrubbing your lips, then leave it for few seconds like that and wipe off with tissue. Finally, apply Vaseline to your lips, or you can apply any lip balm. Follow these steps daily for about 1 week, and after that you can use this in every alternative days. This remedy is 100% effective and gives baby soft pink lips in just 1 week. If you found my video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next video, take care. Bye bye.